In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add indicators on TradingView, step by step. Whether you're brand new to charting or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through adding indicators, adjusting their settings, and removing them cleanly so your charts stay focused and useful. First, look at the top toolbar of your TradingView chart. You'll see a button labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click it. This opens the Indicators window, which is your library of tools for analyzing price action and market momentum. The button is always at the top, so you can access it no matter which chart layout you're using. Inside the window, there's a search bar. Type the name of the indicator you want to add. For example, you might type Moving Average, RSI, or MACD. As you type, TradingView filters results so you can find what you need quickly. If you're not sure of the exact name, try a keyword like average or oscillator and look through the matches. You'll see both built-in indicators and popular community scripts, with the built-in options clearly labeled for reliability and consistency. When you see the indicator you want, click it once. TradingView adds it directly to your chart. If it's an overlay indicator, like a moving average, it will appear on top of price. If it's a separate panel indicator, like RSI, it will show up in its own pane below the chart. You can add more than one indicator, and you can even add the same indicator multiple times with different settings to compare signals. To fine-tune an indicator, hover your mouse over its label or line on the chart. A small toolbar appears. Click the gear icon to open settings. Here you can adjust inputs like length, source, and smoothing, and you can customize style options such as colors, line thickness, and visibility. These settings help match the indicator to your time frame and strategy. Changes apply immediately, so you can see the effect on your chart as you adjust. When you're satisfied, close the settings window to continue analyzing. If an indicator is no longer needed, hover over it again and click the trash icon to remove it. This keeps your chart uncluttered and focused on what matters. If you remove something by accident, just add it back the same way you did before by searching and clicking it from the list. That's all you need to confidently add, adjust, and remove indicators in TradingView. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.